Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can empty a Google Drive trash bin. So Google Drive is an online cloud storage service provided by Google. So you've been using Google Drive to store your files and folders online in cloud storage. You have an account, you've been using that account for a very long time. You have a lot of files and folders in that account. You've deleted a lot of files and folders in that account, and there's a lot of things stored in a Google Drive trash bin. Now you want to empty a Google Drive trash bin, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to empty a Google Drive trash bin in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do in order to empty a Google Drive trash bin is open a Google Drive application on your Android device. Once you open the Google Drive application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to empty the bin from. Once you log into that account, you land in an interface like this. From here, in order to empty a Google Drive trash bin, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top left corner. From the menu, you'll see an option labeled as trash. Open that. Once you tap on trash, you'll see an interface like this. Here you'll see all the files and folders that you have deleted from your Google account within these 30 days. After the 30 days, the files and folders that you have deleted will be removed automatically. Now, to empty your trash bin in Google Drive, what you want to do is tap and hold on one file. Then you'll see an option pop up like this. This is the select all option. Tap on that. Once you tap on the select all option, you'll select all the files and folders in the Google trash bin. Now, to empty a Google trash bin, what you want to do is tap on the three dots right beside the select all option. Then from the drop down menu, you'll see an option labeled as delete forever. Tap on that. Once you tap on delete forever, a pop-up warning like this will open. Here to give confirmation, tap on delete forever. Once you tap on the delete forever button, you'll successfully empty your Google Drive trash bin in very easy way. So that was the simple step in order to empty a Google Drive trash bin. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.